Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Logical Heroes. I'm Mitch, aka Bacchus.
I'm Trevor.
Today we got episode 9, season 1 of Chainsaw Man. I still don't know what to say about last week's episode. A lot happened, and we felt a lot. Yeah, that's the thing too, right? We started off really nice and slow and happy, and then all fucking hell broke loose at the end. The writing, amazing. And we'll get into last week's episode, but before we do, if you want to drop a like, subscribe down below, it'd be greatly appreciated. Bringing you Chainsaw Man right now about every Wednesday. We also got Discord, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. Links down below. Support us on Patreon. You guys get the unedited versions, no banner, no audio cuts, no nothing. And you also get the content a few days earlier than you would on YouTube. So, Trev, you want to discuss the chaos that fucking happened last week?
I think the show's about the end because the entire cast is fucking dead. All the main characters that I was starting to like really connect with, man. That's what we think. There was like some on-screen and then some off-screen things. I'm thinking that I always forget her name.
Got halved, bro. The group is halved.
Yeah. But I honestly think that the guy and the girl, you know, the girl that's terrified.
Yeah, I know.
I think both of them, because it showed the old woman or old man go up behind them with the gun, but then it cut off. So I think somehow with their devil abilities or just them being trained, they escape that, and then they're gonna meet up with the group now that's fighting for their life. Because first of all, Denji got taken out. He's headshot, but he's not dead because we know he's powerful. Yeah. But he's lifeless right now. Aki got shot, but he was still moving. But then he was about to die.
He got sliced, right? When he went, and it went like right across him.
Sliced him. Yeah. But it was like so quick. Might as well be a gunshot. He was all of a sudden he just went a different speed and different like skill.
It was Kill Bill. When I saw that, I was like, holy fuck! That reminded me of Kill Bill so much.
He's being controlled by fucking Snake Girl, who I guess is like has Snake Devil on her side.
I don't know what that is.
Because she just said like release, and it just all in one bite ate the whole. Okay, it ate what's her name? Homino? How do you pronounce her name? Hold on, let me check. Hymeno. That's what her name is. Hymeno with the ghost ability.
Oh, okay. I didn't know where you're going with that. Okay, yeah.
So she was the one that got eaten by the snake because she was trying to save Aki because he got sliced.
Yep.
And then the snake devil girl was like, okay, finish him because their suits are pretty strong. Like that wasn't a killing blow. So he was gonna go kill him. And then she told the ghost devil, like here's the deal, take all of me, use all of me, and like let's help Aki.
Yeah.
And it was like a really beautiful, sad moment because she's just like mentioning how like Aki cries for everyone that dies, and she's like, I hope you survive so you can cry for me. Yeah. And like you saw her like body just disappear slowly, and then the ghost devil like I guess used her body mixed with the power, became this like creepy fucking thing, but also like a beautiful body just made out of flowers, but also the creepiest thing. Like what a combo. I was really like my mouth was dropped, and she was kicking the katana devil's ass, like just fucking hand after hand, and he asked for the help for the snake devil. And yeah, she just did the badass like eat it in one go and then released, and it just disappeared. And yeah, I think that's the end for Hymeno. Yeah, but she was kind of like still fading away, and I don't know. She did say like cry for me, but maybe she is just gonna disappear right away.
She's
but
fucking
maybe
dead.
You don't think she can do one last thing?
She's literally all gone. Like it just closed at the end.
Okay, but Aki's still alive.
Yes,
but he's still got those guys in front of him. Who else was around? Are we missing someone that was there at the fight?
I think that was it.
Power. Power just said she couldn't. She actually
she said
fucking
no.
Uppercutted the dude quick as fuck, but then she said no because she was scared and she couldn't see their movements. It's an anime way of saying they're too powerful.
Yeah.
And I'm not ready. But then also I was curious, what do you think about Denji? Do you think all he needs to do is drink blood, or all someone needs to do is pull his cord for him to like come back and fight? Because right now he's like completely.
I don't really know. That's a pretty bad shot. I don't think he's able to fight in this situation. We're still in it, right? And I don't think he's going to be able to. Like maybe they can take him away, but also on top of that, Aki's fucking bleeding out. right? So it's like, now you got to figure out what to do here, because it's either you got Denji with a hole in his head, or you got Aki who's bleeding out and he doesn't have the powers that Denji has. So it's like,
I'm just remembering Himeno when he was fighting the what was a fucked up eternal devil. When he was fighting it, he ran out of blood and pretty much died and couldn't devil up.
and
Himeno with the but then Himeno with her ghost arm, she went down and pulled the saw, like the chainsaw string. So I think if someone fucking pulls that shit, Denji can help out. But yeah, I think Himeno's dead for.
Yeah, I don't think she's coming back. Obviously, we're gonna have to figure out the mystery of the other two and stuff like that. I want to see more of this. I think there's like a scale, or like there's a kingpin, which is obviously, I'm guessing, the gun devil, and I want to see how many people he has working for him, because he seems to have an organization. This doesn't seem to be like a couple of like gangsters or anything like that. It's like he has a lot of people under his wing.
Oh yeah, and Makima got fucking gunned down, but I think she's the one character that's not easy to kill like that. Just a sense for her.
I think this is the way that they're going to show her power.
Yeah, I think that's how. Yeah, but I think she's for sure not dead. I don't think.
No. This is the proper way. This is the proper way to do it, right? This is the, like, kill her, make you think she's dead, and then this is how, because like obviously we've seen the eyes and the hair. She's a very different looking person than everybody else, and it's like, I definitely think that this is going to be, and it's great writing, and it's like, this is how you're going to present who she really is.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? All right.
I agree.
Let's stop talking. Let's get into it.
Let's go. Oh, they're going back. I don't want to cry again. The music too. It's so chilling. Oh.
Dude, this animation is like the design.
Oh, they're literally showing her point of view now. That's cool. Yeah, it's so clean. Smooth.
He's losing a lot of blood, man.
I think power could save him easy, but Himeno is losing too much.
Oh, no subs. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, what the fuck, bro? In an instant. And it looks like it's made out of fucking, like, arms and shit, this snake. It looks weird.
What is it? A worm?
Oh, I love how that's, like, not even detailed.
It looked more like a worm. She
called it a snake? She called it a snake, though.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh, man. Who the fuck is this kid? Thanks for ruining the vibe.
Power. Oh, here we go.
Oh, someone fucking ripped the cord. No way.
Is he gonna pull the cord?
There's nothing left. It's just the hand. Let's go! Oh. Denji, wake the fuck up. Please help.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Oh yeah? You didn't even fight him yet, idiot. Oh, cool. Yeah, go off, Denji.
Dude, this music is sick as fuck.
Oh, look at him talking. I love it. Nah, bro, we're gonna praise you. Kill these fuckers. Oh, look at them.
Oh my god.
Oh, they're about to do the intro on us.
Nope.
No? Oh, look at him go crazy. Oh,
what is about to happen here? Oh, I think you're right.
Who's she talking to? Oh, backup. You guys don't even fucking... Who the fuck is the backup? I'm scared now. Yo, it's not an easy fight,
Yo,
is it?
he's taking him to town.
Whoa. Whoa. Yes, Denji. Damn, this is sick.
Holy shit.
They're so similar though, right?
Yeah. Big time.
Nice. Fucking quick. Oh, I love the design. On both of them.
They really do have like the same two hands and the thing coming out of their head, eh?
Yeah, it's literally the same. And even the mouth and shit's similar.
Oh, fuck.
Say, Aura's heart?
Oh, boy.
Yeah, let's go. Oh,
Yo!
dude, he's really putting up of a fight. This is epic.
Oh, fuck.
Oh. Shit. Damn, that guy's dead. Oh, no, okay, he's strong, I guess.
He doesn't give a shit.
Dude, do it! Oh, I'm getting, like, vibes from, like, never mind.
Oh, no. Is he getting ready to do the fast thing?
Oh, shit.
Oh, no. Denji. Yup.
Holy shit! He's behind you! Oh!
Oh my god!
Oh, and by the handle, the disrespect! Jesus fuck.
Oh my god, dude! Oh, he ain't doing so well either. Oh, he's just turning back.
Bro, that was epic. But fuck, Denji.
This guy looks badass, though. I actually kind of like him. He's cool.
Right?
Oh, dude.
Yeah, I figured they died. Yeah. All the people we saw at the bar, Matt. You're gonna come back. Stop faking. I'll poke you with a stick, Makima.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, I just thought about they had to fucking ride that out with that.
Yeah.
Yo!
Here we go! No!
Let's go! I knew. What can she do, guys? What devil is she fucking working with?
Didn't we have like a butterfly in mind?
Well, we said something bug related because we keep seeing bugs in the fucking intro.
Oh, I think you're about to see her.
That's what they're worried about. That's what they're worried about. We waited here for nothing. Look at them. They're like waiting to see.
Oh no.
Are these two like twins or something? Yeah, they got the same scar.
Yeah.
Kind of cool looking.
Is it her? No. Yep.
This reminds me of Breaking Bad.
Fuck. Oh shit.
Dude. What kind of deal did she make with the devil?
Did you see the holes in what she did?
Yeah.
What could she have done there?
I don't know.
She's so calm and precise right now.
Yeah.
ここで対応しよう。黒瀬君、法務省から終身刑以上の犯罪者を30人ほど借りてきて。
What?
天道ちゃん、近くにあるできるだけ標高が高い神社を一つ貸し切って。あとは私の着替えもお願いします。
She's so calm.
Get 30 convicts with a life sentence or more and bring them to a shrine.
Dude, the reason I said I don't know what the fuck that's about. The reason I said remind me of Breaking Bad because the alarm sounded like when Gus was walking out.
In his face, yeah.
It sounded like the exact same shit.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Yeah, shut up for asking a simple question.
Oh, look how clean that looks. I fucking love that.
Right?
But
Damn, she's got cakes. And tits.
and elbows.
Yeah, nice hair.
If you're a feet person, there you go.
I'll try it.
You try everything once.
Is someone about to attack her again? Arigato.
すぐに行きます
Her voice is calming but scary at the same time.
It's intimidating, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Like, I don't want to disappoint her.
Oh no.
Why do I feel like she's gonna sacrifice people?
Do you get that feeling too?
Maybe she needs to because she got killed. Like, does she sacrifice with the depth? I don't know. Who fucking knows?
Maybe she has to maybe she has a... I don't know, man.
Yeah, right? Oh, he can't fight for a while? He just said that.
Huh?
Dude, I think our other group survived and they're coming to help. Whoa!
What the fuck was that?
You got popped like a fucking zit.
What just happened?
I don't know.
What is happening?
I don't know. But these, it has something to do with those.
The birds.
Are they? What the hell? What? Makima did this somehow?
What?
Whoa. Is she like summoning something? They're sacrificing these people so she can do this, maybe. Oh shit. Ah, dude, she's wild, I think. You're dead. What the fuck?
Oh no.
Yeah. Oh, blood is about to go everywhere. Oh! Bro, what is this ability? And how
So
is she
he
like
died.
sensing? How are they sensing them?
What
it's so,
the
like-
fuck?
What's
See you,
happening
buddy.
to them after they say it though?
I think they
know what I
die because
mean?
they fall over.
Yeah, oh fuck. That's what I mean. Oh fuck. What devil is doing that though? I'm trying to think.
Oh my god, bro.
Wait, you should start with a katana devil. Did you fucking explode him? Have a shower after this, ma'am. Help yourself, you fucking tomato can.
Oh my god.
Oh god. Whoa. Whoa. That's so weird. They're and then Denji's a half body.
At least he has some part of his body. Everyone else is just fucking mush. Did she run out of people?
Yeah, I think so. Oh, wait. Is she going to use them?
Oh. She's going to sacrifice her own people, you think?
Okay, no. I was going to say there's 2 left and 2 of them. I'm like, is she going to do that? Oh my god.
Okay.
東京に戻ります。
So I'm guessing they're dead.
Get rid of the bodies. Holy shit.
How fucking powerful is she?
Right? She got shot, came back to life, blew those guys up, and then fucking squashed all these guys like across the world.
Using somehow those people and something to do with crows and...
Yeah, what's coming now?
Oh,
Let's
shit!
go! I knew they didn't die. Yeah, show us what happened. Did they kill this bitch?
Why is it just her, though?
Oh, no! He's dead. That's... Oh, yep. Fuck. That's sad. I kind of liked him a little bit.
Dude.
Oh, shit.
Whoa!
Whoa!
What is happening?
I do remember they said she's capable. She's just scared a lot. They never really...
Holy shit!
Fuck. What is her devil? Whoa!
She's not a devil, bro. She doesn't have it. It's just her.
No, but is she not working with one?
Yeah, she's a devil hunter. That's it.
Yeah, but all the devil hunters have devils. Well, they have contracts with from Little Ways. Is she just a full-on badass? Like Aki, he's a devil hunter, but he's got a devil contract.
Yeah.
And a lot of them had it with the fox devil too.
Does everyone have one?
Most of the group did, I'm pretty sure.
Like,
I don't know. She could just be a badass.
Oh, dude.
She saved Denji though. Holy shit.
She just took him on and didn't go home.
Denji needs blood so he
Just
can
a wee bit.
heal.
この間は殺そうとしてごめんね。
This makes up for it.
Jesus, seriously.
殺そうとしてごめんって。なんだそれ。
Oh, she's breaking.
Yeah, that's fucked up. Remember, her only options were this or being a sex slave, pretty much.
Yeah.
So it's on her body. Just to get her brother to college, and she wants to go too.
Holy shit!
Fuck yeah! That was great. God damn.
Oh my god.
The gun graphics are crazy.
私のせいで。そんな。私。
Dude, how does he get his legs back? That hasn't been a thing yet.
この仕事してたらおかしくない。
Well, he lost his arm, remember? And then they gave him blood and it came back. So I think same shit.
He lost his wiener too. She's quitting.
Yeah.
Fuck, after watching her fight like that, I wouldn't want to let her go.
Yeah, she looked sick.
Okay, good.
生きててよかった。
Why do all these guys
ここ
have
いからどれ
scars?
くらい生きてる？
It's the shit that they've been doing, I guess.
得意化だけを狙った銃での襲撃。銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
不足のため、特異1課、2課、3課は4課と合併。以降、公安大麻特異4課を牧間さんの指揮下に置きます。
Nice.
Oh shit.
Those eyes, bro.
あとこれを。
何？
僕の辞表です。
You quitting?
特異課がきな臭くなってきました。辞めるか殺されるかの二択ですよ。
Jeez.
そう。
She freaks me out, man.
Yeah, like her emotions not
最後に
changing.
教え
Look
て
at
くだ
them
さい。
all scared.
牧間さんは今回の事態をどこまで想定していましたか？
一
All of
般
it.
市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。
Damn.
とにかく今までありがとう。これ渡しておくね。
Damn.
That was pretty cold, man.
Yeah, you punk ass bitch. It's like, sorry, you civilian. Get the fuck out of here.
Seriously.
Now they're terrified.
I would be after that.
牧間さん、俺たち得意課に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻
They want to get the fuck out of there.
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
Dude, she's so cold, man.
I think it's because she gave a lot away.
So we kind of got an answer, but we didn't. Right? It's just more
Yeah.
of what happened, right?
I like that they're not unstoppable and that those guys can be beaten.
Yes.
But Katana and Snake. But fucking Makima, holy shit. What the hell are you?
She's like a god, okay? Like, this doesn't even make sense to me anymore. Like, I get, like, maybe she had, like, a devil with a contract with the devil, and, like, it was
Yeah.
doing it. But her doing all this weird hand shit and everyone blowing up, it's like, is she doing that?
It seemed like it. It's like she was sacrificing. But, like, was she saying the names of the people she was killing?
Well, that's the thing. She said, repeat this, and then they did, and then they died. And I don't know Japanese names very well, but it's like, it could be, right?
He's got to be it's got to be some kind of devil she's working with.
Yeah, I
that
don't
can
know.
do that.
I don't know. Dude, but this, I just want to get this out of the way. Like, another 10 out of 10 episode from Chainsaw Man. Like, this
Yeah,
was
that show's-
fucking phenomenal.
I thought it was just gonna be like crazy nonsense, like gore, which I'm fine
Which
with.
it
I love
started
that
with.
type of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it turned into this like really well written story where I'm like,
Yeah.
holy shit! Like the plot is getting crazy, and it's like I'm so like hooked right now, and I'm excited to see what happens next. But damn, even that one girl, Kobani, that's Kobani is
Yeah.
the one that went badass at the end.
Yeah, with the
Like,
knife.
is she just like that skilled, or does she have like a devil that she made a contract with too? I don't know. I'm sure we're gonna find out. But she said she's quitting as well. I don't think anyone wants to be a devil hunter any these days. It's getting pretty scary.
Everyone's
The
getting
gun devil's-
assassinated.
Yeah, the gun devil's kind of taking everyone out. It's kind of wild.
If you guys haven't watched our video that we put out, we have weekly discussions, and I was saying last week, like what what our favorite animes were. I'm like, now all of a sudden, like Chainsaw Man is fucking just putting it in right now.
It is up there. Like I'm really liking it.
Like, it's fucking getting really good. Animation, insane. Story, insane. Character development, insane. Like, it is just all, like you said, like, at the beginning, it was very, like, nonsensical and very crazy.
Yeah.
And then it like, created all this shit that was just kind of everywhere. And now, all of a sudden, these last two episodes, it's all formed into, like, one alley. Where, like,
Been
everything
great.
is now going down. It's been excellent. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right. Before we leave, if you want to drop a like and subscribe down below, guys, it would be greatly appreciated. Bringing you Chainsaw Man every Wednesday. We also got Discord, Twitter, Instagram, and Patreon links down below. And until next episode, see you later.
Guys.